Listen to the short story, My Friend Stole My Money, and do a fun quiz at the end. Level A2, Oxford Reading University. I always trusted my best friend Jack. We met in school and did everything together. We played football, studied for tests, and ate lunch at the same table. Jack was funny and kind. I never thought he could hurt me. One day I needed new shoes. My old ones had holes. I saved money for 3 months. I kept my money in a small box under my bed. Every night I counted it, $50. I was proud. On Saturday, I told Jack, tomorrow I will buy my new shoes. He smiled and said, that's great, let's go together. The next morning, I opened my box. My money was gone. I looked under the bed, in my desk, and in my backpack. Nothing. I felt sick. I ran to my mother. Mom, my money is gone. She looked worried. Are you sure? Maybe you put it somewhere else. No, Mom, I always keep it in my box. Someone took it. Then I remembered. Jack was the only person who knew about my money. My stomach hurt. Could Jack steal from me? No, it was impossible. But I had to be sure. I called Jack. Hey, Jack, I lost my money. Did you see it? There was silence. Then he said, no, I don't know anything about it. I have to go now. He hung up. Something was wrong. Jack never acted like that before. I felt angry and sad. That afternoon, I went to the park. I needed to think. Then I saw Jack. He had a new jacket. It was expensive. I walked up to him. Nice jacket, I said. Jack looked nervous. Oh yeah, my uncle gave it to me. I didn't believe him. Jack, did you take my money? His face turned red. What? No, how can you say that? You are my best friend, but I know you are lying, I said. Just tell me the truth. Jack looked down. Then he whispered, okay. I took it. I felt like my heart broke. Why? I wanted to buy this jacket. I thought you wouldn't notice. I'm sorry, he said. I was angry, but also sad. Jack, you stole from me. You lied to me. We were best friends. Jack looked at me with tears in his eyes. I made a mistake. I will return the money. Please forgive me. I didn't know what to do. I wanted my money back, but trust is not easy to fix. Jack gave me $50 the next day. He also wrote me a letter. It said, I am sorry. I will never do this again. I hope we can be friends again one day. I forgave him, but things were different after that. I learned a lesson. Friends should trust each other. If they don't, they are not real friends. I bought my shoes, but I lost my best friend. And that hurt more than losing money. Are you ready for the quiz? Answer the questions. 1. Why did I save money for 3 months? A. To buy a football. B. To buy new shoes. C. To buy a new backpack. Correct answer. B. To buy new shoes. 2. Where did I keep my money? A. In my school locker. B. In my wallet. C. In a small box under my bed. Correct answer. C. In a small box under my bed. 3. What did Jack buy with the stolen money? A. A football. B. A video game. C. A new jacket. Correct answer, C. A new jacket. So, how many did you answer right? Write the number in the comments. Send this video to a friend who likes English stories and quizzes. And now, listen to another audiobook.